So for this problem, to solve for the sample size with 3% margin of error, so these are the different respondents, and this is the respondent population size. Then to find the sample size for every respondents, so first, we need to find the total population by adding all these numbers. So we have 435, then plus 327, then plus 291, plus 312, then plus 451 equals, so the total population size is 1816. Then to find the total sample size using the Slovin'S formula, so n is the sample size. Then substitute now all the values. So for big N is the population size. That's 1816. Then over 1 plus 1816. Then E for the margin of error. So since the given margin of error is 3%, then convert this one to decimal. So just divide this one by 100. So this is equal to 0.03. So E is equal to 0.03, then to the power 2. Then to simplify, so we have 1816. And for this denominator, so we have 1, then plus 1816, then times 0.03, close parenthesis, then to the power 2 equals, so that's 2.6344. So over 2.6344, then to find out the sample size, so we have 1816, then divide by 2.6344. So that's 689.3. So we have 689.3. Since there is a decimal, so therefore we need to round up. So the total sample size is 690. Now take note that the total sample size is 690. So to find the sample size for every respondents, so using this formula, the respondent population size, then over the population size times the total sample size. So for this respondent, the HE, now take note that the respondent population size is 435 and the total population size is 1816 times the total sample size, that's 690. So to find out the sample size for this respondent, so we have 435, then divide by 1816, then times this 690 equals, so that's 165.2, or the sample size for this respondent is 165. Then for this respondent, the ICT, observe that the respondent population size is 327, the total population size times the sample size. So to find out the sample size for this respondent, so we have 327 divided by 1816, then times 690. So the sample size for ICT is 124.2, or 124. Then for this respondent for STEM, so the respondent population size is 291, the total population, and the total sample. So to find out the sample size for this respondent, so we have 291 divided by 1816, then times 690. So that's 110.5, or this is equal to 111. Then for this respondent, the ABM, so the respondent population size over the total population times the sample size. So to find out the sample size for this respondent, so we have 312 divided by 1816 times 690. So that's equal to 118.5, or this is equal to 119. Then the last one for Humes. So we have 451 divided by 1816 times 690. So to find out the sample size for this respondent, so we have 451 divided by 1816, then times the 690. So this is equal to 171.3, or this is equal to 171. Now take note, adding this sample size. So we have 165 then plus 124 plus 111 plus 119 then plus 171 equals, so that's the total sample size, that's 690. So this is how to find the sample size for every respondents.